we're here for, we will do a review and we will show you also how to convert this sneaker shoes into a runner.
What is that?
So, by the way, this is so perfect for relation gift, birthday gift, Christmas gift, or kung gusto mo lang matripan bumili or bigay sa mga kids nyo. Sobrang perfect ito kasi nag-enjoy si Ate Ea, by the way. Ate Ea, what do you say about your shoes?
I love my shoes and I love
To wear it.
to wear it.
Yeah, kasi talaga nag-enjoy siya. So, eto, nabili namin siya sa Shopee for only less than sa regular price kasi may voucher kami.
Nice.
So, you can check it on our post or comment section. So, we will provide a link para
Okay.
So, yun, we will try to do it natin, ha? So, if you look at this is yan, stickers lang siya. And then, we will put, by the way pala, ginamit na pala namin ito. Of course, kasi ginamit muna namin siya before namin ito gawin para syempre makita namin kung talagang worth it ba yung price niya. So, yeah, it's super worth it. So,
Yes!
we'll try to convert this into a roller skate. Okay, can you try? So, first, here, ito siya. If you can see the two black color. Yeah, okay. So, ito siya. By the way pala, ito yung mga needs mo. Kasama siya sa, it comes with a box. So, kasama lahat ng mga yan sa box. So, tatanggalin mo lang siya. And then, kakabit mo na itong wheel. This your palm. Medyo kailangan ng force. Yun! Ayan na. So, ayun na siya. And then, the second wheel. Yan. And then, you have to press this down. Yun! So, yan. Yan na yan. So, we will try that.
Mamaya ka daw.
Okay, sige, go. Galing mo ate, ha? Ganyan. Ginamit na naman siya, pero okay na siya. Sige, okay.
I'm so strong.
Yeah, you're strong, ate. You're eating a lot. Before. Okay. Yun. Aha. So, ayan na siya. Ayan na siya! Ayan na yung wheels niya. So, yeah, talagang mag-enjoy si Ate Ea ito gamitin sa mall last weekend. Oh, ito na, ate. Oh, what's the best part of ate? What's the best part of it? Okay, we will show you the best part of it. Ito siya ay umiilaw. 1, 2, 3!
Dito remember it.
Oh, no! Yan, kasi natatago siya. Yan, natatago siya dito. Hindi mo siyang itago pala. Yan.
Okay.
Sige, ate, paiulawin na natin. 1, 2, 3, go! Yun!
Wow!
Yan! So, pwede mo rin siyang gawing yan. Twinkle, twinkle, twinkle. So, yan. So, pwede mo siyang i-on or i-off. And then, this shoe also comes with a cord. Ito nga pala, rechargeable to. Kasi na siya, ate.
Dito lang yun.
Ayun! So, ito siya. Kasama na siya dun sa box. So, rechargeable siya. And then, it comes with a cord. So, pwede mo siyang pailawin or kung ayaw pailawin.
Wow!
Natalo mo lang siya. And yun lang. So, ate, let's try na. Ibalik natin siya sa regular sneakers. Okay, oh. Si Ate Ea.
I hold it.
Go!
Go, ate, go! Use your right hand. Kasi mas strong yung right hand mo. Ayan. This one. Right hand ito. Okay, and then, kaya mo? Ako na. Okay. Ito. Para siya maibalik inside, kailangan mo lang i-push ito and then, press mo yung button ulit and then, parang binalik. Ayan, and then, close it mo na ulit. And then, that is shoe. Ayan. Ayun! That's it! And close na natin siya para maiwasan ng dirt. Gagamitin na siya. Ayun na siya. So, yun lang. And, again, we will provide the link in the comment section or sa post. And then, yun lang. See you on our next review. Bye-bye!
Bye-bye!